Good day, I am Joshua Jacob Rivas. So in this video, I will only be highlighting the part that caught my attention the most during our last discussion. So it is on the slide number 6, which is the SWOT analysis of the tourism industry. So this SWOT chart helped me understand the key areas that affect tourism. I've learned the strength, including things like good accommodations, cultural heritage, and a safe environment, and these are great foundation for tourism business. So on the other hand, weaknesses like outdated marketing and poor service remind us that there's still room for improvement, especially in customer experience. What stood to me the most were the opportunities like going digital, promoting ecotourism, and exploring unique destinations. These are all areas where tourism can grow, especially in today's market. Lastly, the threats such as COVID-19, visa issues, and strong competition remind us that tourism can be unpredictable and requires flexible planning. So overall, I've learned that understanding SWOT help us think like entrepreneurs by knowing what to use, what to fix, and how to prepare for challenges that we may face. And that's all.